Hello, my people. I'm called Mika Wanjala. Welcome to this session, this class. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to learn something good. We are continuing to learn to know every keys in the keyboard. So today we are going to learn this key F. We have talked about C, G, F, B. I think those ones. So today we are going to teach you this key. This is F. We have F sharp, F. So the first thing you have to know is the scale of F. And the scale of F is F itself, G, A, then A sharp or B flat, then C, then D, then E, then F, back to F. So our F is 1, G is 2, A is 3, B flat is 4, C is 5, D is 6, E is 7, and F again is 1. So that is about the scale of F. And the second thing is the how to get now the major chords. How you can now build a major chord and a minor chord. And you have to know we have 3 major chords and 3 minor chords. So our number 1 in the scale is always major. The other major chord is our number 4. Is always major, and number 5 is C. So F, our number 1 is a major chord. Number 4 is a B flat, is major, and number 5 is C, a major chord. And how can you get these major chords? How can you find them? We have formulas to find these major chords. So our formula is 047, 047. So, and you know the scale, you start with the 1. But when you want to get the chord, I always use this formula. So the formula is 047. So where your 1 is in the scale is where you start counting. Your first finger being 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So you count without jumping any key, 4. Then you continue counting 4, 5, 6, 7. So you'll be now your first chord, your root chord F. That is your root chord F. So F is a combination of F. The F chord is combination of F itself, the key F, the A, and the C. So that is A, F, A, and C. And in my left hand, yes, you can play the octaves, the F octave, or you can play C and F. So that is about the major chord, root chord. And we have the inversions. The inversions of this root chord is when you take this F to a higher octave. So when you take F to a higher octave, you're now getting the first inversion, which is this one. This is the first inversion. The second inversion is when you take this A to a higher octave. This one, A to this one, A to this one. So that is your second inversion. So you have root chord, first inversion, second inversion. The same thing when you on your 4, you have to know the inversions and the root chord. So the root chord of 4 in the scale of F. This is our root chord of 4, which is our B flat. So the inversion, the first inversion is when you take this to a high octave. So that is your first inversion, and in my left you can play this way, the B flat and the F. So the second inversion is when you take this D to a high octave, this one. So that is your second inversion. So you have root chord, first inversion, second inversion. That is it. So the last major chord, the last major chord in the key of F is C. So C. So this is C. So the inversion of C is when you take this C to a high octave, and you take this C to a high octave, okay, to a high octave, this one. So you replace now. That is your first inversion. When you take this E to a high octave, that will be a second inversion. So you have C, first inversion, second inversion, and then on my left I'm playing G and C. So that is it. So you have F, that is your first in the scale. B flat is the fourth in your scale, and C is your fifth in the scale. So that is about major chords in the key of F. I mean. So when we meet again, I will continue with the minor chords, and other chords. So God bless you for tuning in, and let's meet in another class. Please subscribe to this channel, and God will bless you so much.